This lesson is called The Big Event. It's all about how we can control our programs and actually change the way a program runs on the fly, using events like the push of a button or the click of a mouse. For this lesson, you'll be controlled with a paper remote control. Yeah! It's just like a real live video game. An event is an action that causes something to happen. It's like when you click the button on a mouse and a web page loads. That's an event. When you touch your screen on a tablet to scroll, that's an event also. That's easy. Events are a great way of letting the user direct your program whenever they need or want to.